Greetings aviation enthusiasts. Welcome to your channel, Hashtech. I'm your host, Sharma. And today, we are diving deep into the revolutionary world of aviation. With V-22 Osprey Tiltrotor aircraft. The V-22 Osprey, a true marvel of modern aviation, blurs the line between the helicopter and fixed-wing aircraft. Developed by Bell Textron and Boeing, the Osprey has redefined the possibilities of vertical takeoff and landing. Whether it's a tight urban space or remote battlefield, the Osprey can access areas that traditional aircraft find challenging, showcasing its unmatched flexibility. From troop transport and cargo delivery to medical evacuation, the Osprey is a true multi-mission aircraft. Its ability makes it an invaluable asset to the military forces worldwide, enhancing their operational capabilities. Don't let its helicopter-like appearance fool you. The Osprey is fast and has an impressive range. Experience the thrill as it accelerates to fixed wing speeds, covering vast distances. And there you have it. The V-22 Osprey, a game-changing aircraft that has reshaped the landscape of military aviation. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more captivating insights into the world of aviation. Until next time, I am your host Sharma, signing off.